go, let's go. Good job, keep moving.
the moment the temperature and pressure reach their perfect point inside the giant dome chamber, the entire system enters its final transformation, where every technical decision directly impacts the final product's flavor. The dense steam gradually dissipates, revealing the evenly cooked biryani, each grain of rice perfectly infused with the essence of spices and gravy. The parameters are confirmed one last time on the central control panel, ensuring absolute consistency before moving on to the portioning stage. Precise robotic arms begin to operate, gently scooping the precisely measured portions of biryani, where white rice, safflower rice, and rich brown gravy blend into a complete structure. On the endless conveyor belt, trays of food move forward rhythmically, topped with meat, and inspected visually and digitally simultaneously, creating a balance between technology and manual control. When the finished product is placed in the trays, the steam still gently rises, carrying the distinctive aroma of traditional dum. Now recreated on an industrial scale, the cutting, labeling, and barcode scanning systems operate continuously at high speed without error, each tray a perfect replica of the previous one. The cartons are stacked, sealed, pushed towards the logistics area, where the cold chain is ready to receive them, preserving the freshness and texture of the food. Finally, when the pallets are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, the biryani's journey doesn't end, but only begins, leaving the factory with a silent commitment to quality, safety, and a consistent culinary experience. When it reaches the consumer, each serving retains the spirit of a dum dish cooked slowly, precisely, and with full respect for tradition. As the refrigerated truck door closes, the entire system immediately returns to its initial operating rhythm in a never-ending cycle. Because in this factory, each completed batch is merely the signal to begin the next. Data from sensors, cameras, scales, and barcode scanners continues to flow to the control center, where even the smallest errors are recorded, analyzed, and corrected in real time. In the packaging area, finished trays are randomly sampled to check the shape of the rice grains, the sauce coverage, the meat to spice ratio, and even the tightness of the lids. as if to affirm that high speed does not mean carelessness. On the conveyor belt, the steady movement creates a characteristic sound of modern industry, the sound of rollers, compressed air, motors, and the need to click each time a tray is
We are hitting
securely
the target
fastened.
weight
Each
consistently now.
sealed carton carries
Good,
a
let's
story,
maintain this pace
from
through
raw
the next run.
materials passing through heat, steam, and precise resting times, to becoming a complete meal whose quality can be replicated wherever it goes. At the end
showing
of the
green
line,
across all
robots
parameters.
pick up cartons
All
and
right,
stack
let's move it to the
pallets
ceiling
according to
stage.
an optimal load-bearing pattern, ensuring stability during long journeys, while sensors check gaps, alignment, and compression, preventing any risk of dents that could affect the product inside. Leaving the factory, these pallets enter a refrigerated transport network, traversing long nights and long distances, where temperature is constantly monitored like the heartbeat of the entire journey. But most importantly, it's not just about reaching the destination, but about arriving with its true identity, the rice grains still fluffy, the color still vibrant, the sauce still rich, the meat still tender, and the aroma still intact as if it had just stepped out of the dew. That's how a dish, born from the warmth of a home kitchen and the patience of human hands, is transformed into a large-scale standard while retaining its core spirit, slow cooking, meticulous control, and delivering a consistent experience. So that wherever the lid is opened, the first wisp of steam rising tells
Temperature
the
reading
complete
is stable
story
at
of care,
72 degrees
technique,
Celsius.
and the faith
The
placed in
sample
each
texture
serving.
and aroma are consistent with the standard. Portion weight confirmed at 500 grams.
Acknowledged. We are clear for automated dispensing.
And the moment the tray lid is lifted, far removed from the factory, as a thin wisp of steam curls up like an exclamation point of flavor, the entire colossal operational chain shrinks into a very ordinary experience, a ready-to-eat, hot meal, clearly layered, unpretentious yet powerful enough to make one pause for a few seconds to savor its aroma. Because behind the apparent convenience lies a system of standards designed to combat randomness, to counteract fluctuating humidity, temperature deviations, the slightest seasonal variations in ingredients, and even human fatigue from long shifts. Every touch point in the process is a reason for existing, and each reason leads to a single goal: when it reaches the consumer, the food must be exactly as it was the last time they ate it, exactly what they expected when they saw the label.